In this video, we're going to look at setting up the Facebook group correctly to work with Rafflepalooza. So in the previous video, we tried to add a party using a Facebook group that is not set up correctly. So that is this Laura's test group. And then once I hit next and it tries to get the members of that group, I get this error message. So let's go over to the desktop to actually fix this problem. I have not found a way to change this setting on the mobile version of the app or the mobile website. Hopefully someone can find it somewhere, but for now I will show you how to do it on the desktop web version of Facebook. So once you're on the desktop version of that group, what you'll want to do is select the More button here and then select Edit Group Settings. And then if you scroll down, there is a section for apps. So if you select Add Apps and then go ahead and search for Rafflepalooza or start typing it, then just select that app and go ahead and select Add. Now it does say that the app can see posts and comments in the group, but not who wrote them. I can let you know that I don't view posts or comments written in the group. This is merely just to get your members for you so that you don't have to manually add them to the app yourself. So go ahead and tap on Add. And it says it has been done, and I believe that is it. I normally, the page will come back here. I normally scroll down and select Save just to be safe. So now let's go back over to the app and see what happens. Okay, so now that we're back in the app, we can just select OK and then go back and then hit Next again, and it will load the people that are part of that. Unfortunately, this is an additional step that I know a lot of people aren't used to, but it should become very common. Facebook has added this within the last 4 to 6 months. If you haven't seen it already and you use other apps, you definitely will moving forward. Thank you.